Okay, so I'm going to delete a couple of things, but don't freak out because they're real easy to add later. So what you created is your title block, and it's in a title block template, so you're not going to have any of your other options in your ribbon because you're in a title block template. So we need to move this over to a project template. So I'm going to delete your map and delete this north arrow. Okay, you're going to add those two things back once we get to a project template. Okay, we're going to save this and we're going to create new project. Okay, you want to use your architectural template like I did in that video last night. Now once you do this, you should have all of these options up in your ribbon. If you can't do that, let me know. We might have to download your Revit over again. But hopefully it's just because you weren't in a project template. Okay, so once you're here, you're going to come down here to your sheets. You're going to right click and you're going to click New Sheet and Load. This is where we're going to load that project template, all the work you did last night, into your project. I am going to go to where I saved your template. If I can remember. Downloads. Crap. Well, this one. Okay. And then click OK, and there you go. That is in your first sheet. Okay? Now, from here, we're going to add your sitemap. So we'll go up to your ribbon and click Insert, Image, and wherever you have your sitemap saved, you'll pull it in here. Okay, you can make it bigger or smaller. Now from here, we'll go up to Annotate, Text. We did this last night. Sitemap, make sure you're in all caps. And then we're going to add a north arrow. Okay? Go down here to your families, down here in your project browser, and you're going to go to Annotation Symbols and north arrow. Alright. Okay. Adding your north arrow. So, you're going to come back to your project browser, go to Families, Annotation Symbols, then down to your north arrow, and you're going to drag your north arrow and place it. Okay? So now, we're going to go to Annotate, and this is all in the video that I showed you last night, but I'll just go over it again. Click Text, and this is where you're going to add the project name, project, what was all the information you gave me? Let's do your square footage, Okay, I just copied and pasted from the information I did last night. Oops. And you can add to this what you need for class. Okay. So there's that. Oops. And then the other thing we added was, go back up here to annotate and text. Was your sheet index. Okay. Just copied and pasted this as well. This was from the video last night. Now once you have this drawn, you can add lines in it if you want to make it look like it's in a chart. It's all preference on how you want it to look. You can add your abbreviations and any other information the same way. Go up to annotate and text and you just add it in there. Okay?